Hello viewers, on today's video I'm gonna show you how to replace the front brakes on this 2021 Chevy Traverse. This procedure covers a lot of GM vehicles, your Buick Enclave and Chevy Blazer. Um, that that design on the front brakes is the second design. The caliper is a little bit different than the previous 19 to 2020. So pay attention guys. So we're gonna start by removing the brake returning screw. It is a T30, using our hammer to shock it a little bit so it can come out. And I'm going to speed up the process using my electric ratchet. Now we're going to remove the caliper bolt. It is a 12 millimeter. And we're going to compress our caliper using a caliper compressing tool. And by the way, I'll add all those tools in the comment section below for you guys. You're going to push the piston all the way down and put the caliper with the bungee cord so you don't let it hang by the hose. So removing our old brake pad. The vehicle came in for a pulsation and it has about 80,000 miles on it, so those brakes are original and they need to be replaced. We are inspecting our caliper sliding pin. Now we're gonna remove our caliper bracket bolt. It is a 21 millimeter. Here's our bracket, and we're gonna remove those hardware. Make sure you guys you buy the new ones, because sometimes the new brakes doesn't come with them. If you don't, you can end up cleaning them up real good and reuse it. I already have them, so I'm gonna remove them and replace it anyway, and clean the caliper and re-grease it. As you guys see here, I'm greasing the slider pins to make sure they move freely, and I'm gonna clean out the caliper bracket here. So when you put the new clip, they have a nice space in there. Take the old roller out, and we're going to clean our hub. Make sure the roller have an even surface. And now we're gonna install the new brake rollers. Make sure you clean it with soap and water or brake cleaner. Either one works fine. Because sometimes they do have a rust protection from the manufacturer. And we reinstall it. Take this old sticker out, made in Mexico. Now pay attention to this part here, because I'm putting the new clip on. They actually have a way, they only go in one way. The little part here that's sticking out need to go face outward. You guys see here, they're all facing outward, not toward the water, outward. So if you follow that, you'll be fine. We install a caliper bracket, and make sure you take the sticker out from the new pads, and we grease the top part where it goes into the caliper bracket. Make sure you pay attention to this, the notation here. One of them say in and out. The out will go in the back of the water, like I'm doing right now. Make sure you put the brake pad at an angle, because they have a clip that need to catch the new pad, and it serves as the anti-drag clip pretty much. Compared to the old Traverse, they used to have an anti-drag clip on the outside, but the new one, they will design the brake pads. The anti-drag clip is a part of the caliper clip, the bracket clip, sorry. And we're going to grease the back of the pads. And now it's time to reinstall our caliper. And that will be it, guys. Make sure you follow the instruction, watch the video all to the end, and you should be good to go. Don't forget to pump your brake pad before your brake pedal before you go for a test drive. That's it. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one.